Guys, today we are going to be focusing on libraries in Python. So I'm going to be telling you what our module is, and I'm also going to be starting a series which is the Turtle graphics series. So the Turtle graphics is a module. I'll tell you what a module is first. So a module is something that's usually built in Python, and you could use it. So when you import a module, you bring it into your program. So when you want to bring a module into your program, you state that at the start of the program. What a module does is a module has a lot of functions in it. The module has a lot of functions in it that you could use. So after you're stating that you're going to use a module, you could use all these functions in it that make code easier. I'm pretty sure I did a video on functions before, so go check that out if you don't know what a function is. It makes code easier, and libraries also make code easier. One of the things I'm going to be starting is Turtle Graphics. Turtle Graphics is a library that's fun to play around with. So let's get started. Open up idle, and then let's go to File, New File, get a file. So after you've done that, now we're going to be starting Python Turtle Graphics. So let's start. What you have to do first is import. This is the statement that's actually stating that you're going to use the library. Import turtle as t, right, as t. So you could use, instead of saying so there's this command where if you want to go forward, you have to say turtle.forward. But instead of saying that, you could do t.forward. It's just making your code easier. Now, before we do that, as a good programmer, we always have to save. Doing name yours something you want. You don't have to name what I named it. Yes. Okay, let's start now. I'm warning you, I'm pretty sure you shouldn't name it Turtle Graphics because something will go on. Whenever you're working with a library, don't name your file the name of the library, although that sounds sensible. Okay, let's start. So, import turtle as t. Now we're gonna make let's see what happens with that. Let's see if the program's okay with it. It should be. Okay, now we go t.forward 50. So what this does is it makes your turtle go forward 50 pixels. Let's see that now. As you could see, we just made our turtle go 50. So let's play around with this. Let's make a square using a loop but, okay? Let's make a square. Actually, before we make a square, I think we should go through all of them. T.right 90. So that turns your turtle right 90 degrees. Okay. Now if we do t.forward 50 again, look what that does. That just turns. So we could make a square with this, but let's do t.left then. T.left 90 degrees. We want it 90 degrees and t.forward 90 degrees. So it just went left for us. There's more, but there's one more main thing, which is t.backward. So t.backwards 90 degrees. So let's do t.backward 90 degrees. T.backward 90. Not 90 degrees. I mean t.backward let's go back 100 pixels. So, we went back 100 pixels. That's it. That's just it. So now let's make a square using a loop. Let's make a square. So when making a square, you guys all know that loops for I 4 times. Now 4 times. Oh yes, t dot forward 50. So we'll go 50. So what I'll do is let's go t dot right 90 degrees. So what this will do is it'll go t dot forward 50, then it'll go right 90, then it'll turn right and go forward, right, forward, right, forward, right 4 times, which will make a square for us. Let's try that out. It's a success. Let's also try small fun stuff like our pen color and stuff like that. So with our pen color, what we need to do is go back here and do t dot pen color and whatever we want in our talking marks. Let's do red. I like red. Let's go red. We could try that out. We could do like different stuff like blue. And do stuff like, let's also do one more example, like green. Yes, that's it. So I've shown you all the examples. Now play around with this program. I'm sure you could play around with it as much as you can because this is a big library and you could do a lot of stuff. We'll be learning more next time. But play around with this program for now because, well, there's so much to play around with this. I mean, you could make whatever shape you want with a loop or anything. Play around with this program until we see you next time. Bye.